Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. Don't worry what he's saying. We've got a 4K video and a 4K video and a 4K video. This is the really short version. If you want to buy Dobinson suspension, watch all the videos on my channel regarding Dobinson suspension. Send me the text message with your name, full name, vehicle details, and whether you want monotubes, twin tubes, and whether you want the fronts assembled or not, exactly what you need. Once we've got that clear, don't worry about the springs at this stage. I'll send you a rough price. If you're happy with that, let me know, and we'll proceed by, I'll give you a firm price. I'll get you a firm price. Once you've got the firm price, you pay for it. Please send me the screenshot. Once those funds are clear in the account, I will call you to discuss and clearly understand the requirements, what you're using your vehicle for, so that you get the right springs for your setup. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. If you like that one, give us a thumbs up, up, and subscribe. Turn that bell on. Bada bing, bada boom. We're out of here. See ya.